We're getting ready to destroy our bathroom. Well, it's basically already down to studs anyway, but we are about to knock out a wall. Never done this before, so yay for home improvements!
That'll be fun.
I know. You never say more. Alright, let's get started. No.
No, me. Mom, I got a new backpack. Mom, I got this.
That's really cute.
Did we get it? Because it's...
Hey River, what do you have? What is that? Can you show me?
Still working on that, Dad?
Hey, let me see. Is that a cake pop from Disneyland? Mmm. And then can you show us what sister got from Denny's? We just had dinner with Cuckoo. Yeah.
And I got Rapunzel's sucker.
Oh, that's
I
right.
already gave it.
I know. Hey, can we see the troll cup?
That's mine.
Yeah. It's Guy Diamond. We just had dinner with Cuckoo and got this really cool cup. Eat it, buddy.
Big chocolate ball, huh?
So
It's
cute.
like big coated.
I love it.
Mommy, touch my
So this is the aftermath of trying to knock that wall down. Or I guess I did successfully knock the wall down, but all the drywall up there, I gotta tear about half of it out in order to adjust the plumbing. It was very therapeutic though, knocking that out. Never done something like that before. Good times. Ready for a bath? River, you ready for a bath? Yeah? Alright, let's do it. So the kids are down, and it's just Krista and I, and we're watching MasterChef. And we're also hanging out with Jimmy Fallon here too. Yeah, this ice cream is amazing. Jimmy Fallon, you know how to make a good ice cream. It's Super Mario Brothers time. We love playing video games together. I would say that Chris is going down, but this is a co-op game. Going to the meringue clouds. I feel like we haven't played this in a while.
We haven't.
Yeah, it's been a while. Hopefully we can actually get far in this. We'll see what happens. So we got so far in Super Mario Brothers, and then we got a game over, so we had to start all over. But we beat one of the bosses, so we did good. But we're gonna go to sleep right now and just waiting on our sheets to dry, and then we're gonna hit the hay.
So tired.
So on that note, good night.
Good night.